Hey Glossies, welcome back to our channel. I really hope you're well. Today I'm going to be creating this makeup look for you, which is perfect for the 17th of May when we're allowed to go out a bit more. So if you want to see how I created this, then keep watching. So the first thing that I'm going to use is the Too Faced Born This Way Multi-Use Sculpting Concealer. This is in the shade Vanilla. So I'm just going to use this to carve out my eyebrows underneath and just use that as a base for the eyeshadow. So I'm just using a flat brush for this. Okay, now that my base is down, I'm just going to go in with the NYX Ultimate eyeshadow palette. This is in Warm Neutral, so it's quite a big palette actually. There's lots of nice colours in there. So I'm just going to start off with this warm browny orange colour here and just put that in the crease. So I'm just going to take this colour here, the one just above the colour that we just used, and I'm just going to put this in the outer corner of my eye. And then I'm just taking the first shade again just to blend it out. Next I'm going to take the Lottie London Power Foil Metallic Eyeshadow. This is from the May Glossybox. So this is in the shade Golden Hour. This is just a loose pigment eyeshadow. It's really pigmented. This is what it looks like. Next I'm going to take the L'Oreal Air Volume Mega Mascara. I'm just going to coat my lashes with this. So now that the eyes are done, I'm going to move on to the face. I'm going to start with the MAC Strobe Cream in Gold Light. Just going to use this as a bit of a primer, just to give me a nice glow underneath my foundation. So I'm just going to apply this with a brush. Next, I'm going to use the Illamasqua Skin Base Foundation. This is in the shade 7.5. Now I'm going to apply some concealer. So this is the Too Faced Born This Way Multi-Use Sculpting Concealer in Vanilla. This is the same one that I used on my eyes earlier. Now I'm going to go in with the Rimmel Stay Matte Powder. This is in the shade 5 Silky Beige. You can tell that I really like this. I use it quite a lot. I'm just going to make sure that there's no creases under my eyes. Now I'm going to take the MAC Give Me Sun bronzer. I'm just going to warm up my face with this. Now I'm going to take the Bronze Goddess highlighter from Estee Lauder. This is in the shade Heat Wave. Then I'm going to take the NARS blusher in the shade Orgasm. This is what it looks like. Now that my face is pretty much done, I'm just going to go back into the NYX Ultimate eyeshadow palette, and I'm going to go back in with that warm brown that we used. And I'm just going to put this underneath. Then I'm just going to take the darker shade above it, which we used before as well, on the outer corner. I'm just going to put this underneath. I'm just going to pop a little bit of the L'Oreal Air Volume Mega Mascara on my bottom lashes. Okay, now I'm going to line my lips with the NYX Professional Makeup Lip Pencil in the shade Nude Truffle. So it's just kind of like a dark brown shade. Then I'm going to take the MAC lipstick in Velvet Teddy just to go with that. I'm just going to fill out my eyebrows now with the NYX eyebrow pencil in the shade Ash Brown. And then I'm just going to pop the Glossybox Skincare Hydrating Mist over the top. This just helps set everything in place and get rid of any powderiness. So glossies, this is the final look complete. I'm really happy with how this turned out. It's definitely going to be my May the 17th look. Let us know if you recreate this, and if you do want to recreate this look, then we're giving one of you the chance to win a £100 Look Fantastic voucher. So with that, you can purchase anything off Look Fantastic or the makeup products that I used today. All that you need to do to enter is subscribe to our YouTube channel and comment the word done down below in the comment section. Good luck glossies, and thank you for watching. Bye!